Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll just discuss an important tips while working with Power Pages in developer environment. You can see my screen, right? In this screen, I'm in a developer environment, and in this developer environment, I created a Power Pages website. But surprisingly, when I just switch the visibility of the Power Pages from private to public, I'm getting error. Let us switch this. Right now, it is private. If I'll switch to public, it is immediately showing an error, unable to save, right? So unable to save error is just giving because this was not an error in previously, right? Microsoft has introduced some change to developer environment. That's why it is not working. So what is the feature that has been added? The point is you cannot make Power Pages website public in developer instance, in developer type environments. You can only make public if it is a production type environment. So make sure. So if I'll go here and try to check what are the environment types that I have currently, we can check. Let me go to admin.powerplatform.com and go to manage. In this environment list, you see all are my developer environments except one production type, another is default type, right? So I am using this environment to create the Power Pages. That's why it is not working. I I can customize, but I cannot make it public. That is disabled. So what is the other way around? So either you can start developing your Power Pages website in direct production type environment, or you can go to developer environment, create your. This is my developer environment. Create the Power Pages website and package this in a solution. Export it, then import it in target environment. Let's say this is my developer environment. I will create a solution and add this website as I have already added. If I'll go here in the solutions, I can show you that this is my developer environment. So I'll go here and I'll go to powerapps.com and switch. I'm switching to developer environment. This is my developer environment. And in this environment, I have created a solution. And in that solution, I packaged the Power Pages website. This is my solution I have created, where I packaged the Power Pages website that I have created in this environment because this is developer environment, and exported it from this developer environment and imported to target environment. If I'll go to switch to production environment, I just go to solutions and imported it here. And this is what I imported. So this is the solution which contains the Power Pages website that exported from developer environment, imported in production type environment. Then you can open the Power Pages and reactivate this. And once you reactivate this, you can switch to private to public. Now this switching private to public is only possible. Now you see there is no error. This error will only happening because you are trying to make your Power Pages website public in developer type environments. So use production type environments to make it public and it will work. I hope you understand how it works. Thanks everyone watching this video. See you next time. And if you need any training, live training, any courses, just let me know. We'll work on that. Thanks.